Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over dynamic project switching. So one thing I showed you in the past was how to do stacked timelines. Click on this little icon here and you can have display stacked timelines. So if you have more than one timeline in your project, like we do here, we got a couple. Over here on the right by the inspector, there's this little timeline looking icon with a plus on it. You can hit that and that'll stack up your timelines and you can do more than one. You can actually have more than one open in a tab as well. So let's go ahead and grab this one. And if we wanted to, we could have the third option that's inside this project. So with stack timelines, you can bounce between these two. You can grab a clip, copy it, move it to your top timeline and paste it in. And then to get rid of your stacked timeline view, you just hit the little X at the bottom here, and then you still have access to your timelines. This little drop down here. Now, dynamic project switching is sort of like that, and I'll show you how that works. I'm gonna hit F1 to get my project manager back open. And if you right click in the gray area here, you'll have a dynamic project switching checkbox. Now this does eat into your system memory. So if you want to close all the projects, there's a close projects in memory. So now we have this copy of Ultra open. I'm going to open up this sizzle and now I'll take a second to refresh. Now we have this project open and we have a single timeline available. But if we look at the top of the project name, we have a little drop down arrow. And now you can see we have access to this entire other project. So if we click on that, it'll switch over. So there we go. Now it's back to the project we were on. And if we wanted to grab a clip from here, say we get this one, copy it, we can click here, go back to that first one, go to the end of our timeline, and we could paste that clip in right there. So that's dynamic project switching. And then you can also disable it by clicking on it again. It'll let you know I'm going to go back down to one project. You got the red line on there that shows you which project you currently have open. And then if you want it back on and off, just turn on dynamic project switching. And that's when you get the closed projects in memory in case it's eating into the memory if you have that open. All right. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching as always. Subscribe for more and I'll see you guys on the next one.